In this video, we're going to perform a deep dive of Llama 3.1 using the Llama, a local LOM. So we're going to search Ollama 3.1. And we can see with Llama 3.1, it's a new state-of-the-art model from Meta, available in 8 billion parameters, 7 billion, and 405 billion parameters. Llama 3.1 is the first openly available model that rivals the top AI models when it comes to state-of-the-art capabilities in general knowledge, math, and tool use. We can see the benchmarks of Llama 3.1 compared to the competitors, Mistral, GPT 3.5 Turbo. See the human evaluations. All right, so what we're going to be looking at is how to apply Llama 3.1, how we can download it. So if I open up our command prompt and type in Ollama pull Llama 3.1. So we head back to the Ollama website. We can see for the 8 billion parameter, we type that in Ollama run Llama 3.1. Successfully find the information, you'll type that right into your command prompt, and we'll download it right here. So now that we have it downloaded, we can see it from our list by going to Ollama list. We can see that was installed properly. So we see Ollama 3.1 latest. So we're good to go, 5 gigabytes, so it doesn't take up too much space. So let's look at from the context of leveraging Llama 3.1 for accounting and auditing firms. So this blog will touch about using Meta Llama 3.1 when it comes to using agents, using LLMs within the accounting and audit industry. So we have a comparison matrix. We'll talk about the why to use Llama 3.1, be it 8 billion or 7 billion. This video, we're focusing on the 8 billion parameter. All right, let's pull up the matrix. So we're evaluating Llama 3.1 to DeepSeek, Qwen 2.5, Gemma 3. We see why Llama 3.1, proven track record and reliability, strong analytical and compliance, flexible, scalability, broad community support and resources. So it's an ideal use case, has a lot of strengths when it comes to accounting and audit capabilities. All right, let's jump back to our command prompt. Let's get Ollama run Llama 3.1. Let's fire up this LOM. We're going to give it one moment, and then we're going to prompt Llama 3.1. All right, so let's give you accounting-related questions. We're going to ask, what is a general ledger? Who see the response that comes back from Llama 3.1? All right, we see general ledger, also known as a chart of accounts or accounting ledger, is the main book of accounts in any company's accounting system. So you could see it understands the context when it comes to a general ledger, assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, expenses. So this is a pretty well comprehensive response